Hey guys, this is Bo over at Baton Rouge Harley Davidson, coming back with another exciting 2020. This is a Street Glide Special in Billiard Burgundy. Great looking color. You'll notice all the blacked out accessories straight from the factory. It's got tons of extras. ABS straight from the factory. You've got Rouge Stage 1 audio. Now, just the speakers, but it's a good start. Going all the way back to your stretched bags. So you've already got that little bit of stretch in the back that's going to go over your pipes. You've got extra storage. Whenever you get a chance, come on down to the dealership. Check one of these out. Ask one of us to show you everything about the bike, and we'd be happy to help.